ಪ್ರತಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯೋಚಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ.
ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ರು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರದು ಈಗ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇರಲಿ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರ ಅಂತ.
Please eat your sandwich because we are waiting. ಈಗ ಇದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ okay. All right, all the teams have to be ready because this question comes to instructions mattome. So a member of the audience wants the instructions to be repeated. Please listen. These questions, every question is open to all the teams. You have 60 seconds to answer, but you should not answer before the 60 seconds are up. Please keep the answer in mind and stay put. And when the time is up, I will ask all of you to answer at the same time by showing the cards. Right? And the marking scheme is +3, -2, -1. Clear? Clear? Yes. Okay, the first question for all teams. And before we go there, if you have sheets of paper, pen, this is the time to keep it ready. You may have to do some calculations. All right? Keep it ready. Pen, pencil. If you do not have something to write with, we will give it to you. Please be ready. The first question comes to you now. 60 seconds. Do not answer before the time runs out.
ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋರಿಗೆ. ಆನ್ ಮಾಡು, ಆನಲ್ಲಿದೆ.
We have 20 seconds.
ಕೈ ನೋವು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡಿದೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
Keep it to yourself. Don't show me your answers. Okay. The line is up. Let's start from B. All of you raise your cards at the same time now. Raise your answers and hold it there. We will go through all the answers and give you marks. Until then, do not change it. Do not lower your answers. Team 1 says C, and that is not the right answer. The right answer is A. So,
ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕಣ, ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
Team 3 negative. Team 4 they got it right. Team 5 they got it right. Team 6 got it right. Team 7 and Team 8 got it right as well. So when the number of carnivores is gone, the number of herbivores will increase in a habitat. All right? Now you understand how it works? Question number 2 for all the teams. Here is the question. Hold on, hold on. Okay. The time is up. Now I want all of you to hold up the answers now. And hold up your answers now at the same time. Do not change it. Come on, you can't take time. You're not answering. Okay, Team 7 is not answering. The rest of So the correct answer is A. Right? Once again. So Team 1 negative. Team 1 negative. Team 2 negative. Team 3 negative. Team 4 positive. Team 5 positive. Team 6 is right. Team 7 is wrong. Team 8 is right. Well done. Okay? All right.
ಇದು ಲೆನ್ಸು ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ.
Because the area is how big? If the diameter is doubled, what is the ratio of the areas? The diameter is doubled, what is the ratio of the areas? 2 times, 4 times, 8 times, what is it? Okay, next question to all the teams. Next question to all the teams. Ready? Next question is for all of you. Here it is. change it. Keep it up there. The correct answer is C. So, let's see. Team 1 got it wrong. Team 1 got it wrong. They should be in the beginning. Sorry. Team 1 wrong. Team 2 is correct. Team 3 is correct. Team 4 was wrong. Team 5 was wrong. Team 6 is wrong. Team 7 is right. Team 8 is wrong. Okay? Alright. Clear? We come to the last question of this round. For all the teams once again, the question is on the screen now.
ಏನು ಬರ್ನಾಯ್ತು
Alright, please hold up your answers now. And once you hold it up, do not change. So the correct answer is B. It starts with the goal. Hold it. So points for team 1, team 2, negative marks for team 3, points for team 4, they got it right. Team 5 got it wrong. Team 6, 7 and 8 got it right. Well done. Okay? So let us take a look
ಬ್ರೋ
at the
ಒಬ್ರು ಲೈವ್
scores
ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬ್ರೋ ಲೈವ್
at the end of this round.
ನಾನು ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ
Alright,
ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ
first
ನಾನು
computational challenge. Let's take a look at the scores. So here we are. Here we are at the end of the first computational challenge. Can I request you guys to be quiet because we can hear a lot of noise up here. So kindly be quiet. We have Nitin School in here lead, followed by Don Bosco and Foreign International. Ready for the next round? Listen to the rules carefully because the rules are slightly different. Okay. Here are the rules. Please pay attention. Please pay attention. Rules and principles are very starting. Alright? I will use it basically. Here are the rules. 4 questions. Again, each question has to be answered by every team. Every team gets a chance to answer. Read the question, discuss, and these are not multiple choice questions. These are not multiple choice questions. So how should you answer? How should you answer? I will show it to you. In case the answer to the first question is 3, okay, you should do your calculation and in a piece of black paper, write 3, like this and show it to me. Don't write it with a small ballpoint pen, which I cannot read. If the final answer to the question, for example, is 3, this is how you should show it. The A, B, C, D methods are not required for this round. Use the sketch pen and the black paper, and this is how you should show me your answer. If the answer is it clear? You have 75 seconds. All of you have to show me the answer at the same time. Clear? The marking scheme is also different. Please note, the correct answer will get you +4. the wrong answer -3 and not answering not offering an answer in time will get -1. Are the rules clear? Can we get started in this round? Remember, all of you have to answer. There are no multiple choice questions. 75 seconds. Let's start with the first question. Answer before I ask you. Ten seconds. Your answer on a blank sheet of paper written in big bold letters should be shown now. Hold up your answers now. You're taking time, so T1 says 96. The correct answer is 36. They have chosen not to answer. T8 has chosen not to answer. T7 has chosen not to answer. Let's go to the, okay. So they say 96, so they get minus 36 by T2. T3 has chosen not to answer. T4 says 36. T5 says 36. T6 says 36. T7.
ಬ್ರೋ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಾ ಲೈವ್ ಬ್ಯಾನರ್ ಹಾಕಿ
Time taken by the gear is directly proportional to the size. So if the first one takes 48, the last one will take 36. What about the middle gear? 72 seconds. Well done. So 72 is correct. Well done for the second gear. Shall we go to the next question? Ready? Same rules. All the teams. Your question is here. So, the second question in this category for all the teams is on the screen now. All right, the time is up. I would like all your answers now. Hold it up if you choose to answer. Hold it up if you choose to answer. Okay? Keep it there. Keep it there. All right. So we are starting with team 1 who have chosen not to answer. Team 2 says 36. 36 heng bantu? You multiplied. So team 2 got the wrong answer. Bhumi mele 6 wooden blocks are equal to 3 bricks. Chandrana melu kuda it will be the same. The fact that moon has a lower gravitational force of attraction doesn't affect this situation at all. So the answer is 6 wooden blocks. So 36 is wrong. Team 3 did not answer. Team 3 did not answer. Team 4. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಬಂದು ಪ್ರಯೋಗಗಳನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 20 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಗೋದು ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ
ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಿ. ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಒಂದು ಲೈವ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹೆಂಗೆ ತೆಗಿಲಿ ಇದು? ಬ್ರೋ ಲೈವ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಡಿ.
ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ 6 ವುಡನ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ? ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ವೈಲ್ ದೇ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಅ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್? ಹಾಂ, ಉತ್ತರ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾ ಬೇಡ? ಭೂಮಿ ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಸುತ್ತಲೂ ಸುತ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಶೇಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆರ್ಬಿಟ್? ಎಲಿಪ್ಟಿಕಲ್. ಡು ಯು ಅಗ್ರಿ? ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಹೊತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಭೂಮಿ ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂರ್ಯನಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೂರ ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಡು ಯು ಅಗ್ರಿ? ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದಿ ಅರ್ತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಸನ್ ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಿನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಲಿಪ್ಟಿಕಲ್. ಸೊ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಅರ್ತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಸನ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್. ಡು ಯು ಅಗ್ರಿ? ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಬಂದಾಗ ಭೂಮಿ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ 147 ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್, 147 ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್. ದೂರ ಹೋದಾಗ 152 ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್, 5 ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಸಮೀಪಕ್ಕೂ ದೂರಕ್ಕೂ. ಸಮೀಪ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಯಾವ ಸೀಸನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ದೂರ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಯಾವ ಸೀಸನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ? ಓಕೆ, ಸಮೀಪ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು, ಭೂಮಿ ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಸಮೀಪ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಸಮರ್ ಸೀಸನ್ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ, ದೂರ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ವಿಂಟರ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಂದಿ ಒಪ್ಕೋತೀರಿ? ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಿ. ಸಮೀಪ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ತಾನೇ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಇದು ಬೇಸಿಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಡು ಯು ಅಗ್ರಿ? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸೆನ್ಸಿಬಲ್. ಸಮ್ 3 people ಅಗ್ರಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಡು ದ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ದೂರ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಬೇಸಿಗೆ, ಹತ್ತಿರ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಚಳಿಗಾಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಯೋಚಿಸ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು. ಯಾಕಿರ್ಬೋದು? ನೌ ದಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಯು ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ವೈ ಡು ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸಮೀಪ ಬಂದಾಗ ಚಳಿಗಾಲ, ದೂರ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಬೇಸಿಗೆ? ಯಾಕಿರ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್? ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ದ ಟಿಲ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಅರ್ತ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ 23.5 degrees causes summer in the northern hemisphere and winter in the southern hemisphere. So distance of the earth from the sun doesn't matter, right? What matters, what causes seasons, is the tilt. All right? If seasons are being caused by the tilt ಇಂದ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಪರಿಣಾಮ ನಾವು ಕಾಣ್ತೀವಿ? ವಾಟ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಟಿಲ್ಟ್? Anybody? Cold ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Okay. Days are longer in summer, shorter in winter. Even that is because of the tilt of the Earth's axis. Okay? This is a question that I will throw open to the members of the audience and the finalists who are sitting here. Yeah? So I don't want you to switch off your brains while we take a long break. So this question is for everyone there and for everyone here. What was the famous space mission that India undertook in 2013-14? What was the famous space mission? 13-14.
Bro?
Anybody?
Mars orbital mission.
Mission to Mars, Mangalyaan. Mangalyaan, well done. Answer the no tense. Now Uttara Gurmeet says, well done. So Mangalyaan was the mission that India undertook. What was special about it, Gota? What was special about Mangalyaan? India was the only country to be successful in the first attempt. China had taken 6 attempts, the US had taken 3 or 4 attempts, I don't know, some other countries had taken many attempts before they were successful. India was the first country to be successful first time. But that is not my question. My question is, in a famous speech, you have to hear the question. In a famous speech, after we were successful, the Prime Minister said the cost per kilometer of Mangalyaan, per kilometer traveled, the cost was only 7 rupees. Per kilometer traveled, the cost was only 7 rupees. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಟೋ ಕೂಡ 35 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. How did we achieve Mangalyaan at the cost of 7 rupees per kilometer? Whoever comes here and answers the question with the microphone in hand will get a special prize. Huh? How did India achieve 7 rupees per kilometer when auto in Bangalore costs 35 or 40 rupees per kilometer? Audience or people here, anyone who answers well will get a special prize. Anyone? Think and answer. Don't Google. Don't sit there and Google. I will not discuss it. If you are wrong, I will continue. Anyone else? Can someone give him the... Everything we are doing here in Newton's third law, that does not explain why it costs 7 rupees.
Hello. So India used a launch which is assisted by the gravitational force of the Earth and the Mars. Mars. So
ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗಳು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ರಿಪೇರಿ ಆಗೋ ತನಕ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಎಸ್ಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟೇಷನಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅರ್ತ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಗ್ರಾವಿಟೇಷನಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾರ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. ದೇ ಸ್ಪೆಂಟ್, ಇಫ್ ಐ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ, 7 or 8 times the cost we spent. They also had gravitation of Mars and gravitation of Earth. What made ours cost a fraction of their cost?
the fuelage was very low because of the gravitation. The voyage took round and round of the Earth, and once it entered the Mars orbit, gravitational field, it took the gravitational force of the Mars.
Actually, correct. Well done. Give him a round of applause. You want to add anything? What is that?
We to just answer that, sir. Actually, what this Indian ISRO team did was that they first launched this what do you call that again? Mangalyaan. First, they sent it to Earth's orbit. It was orbiting it, and then when it was about to go out of the Earth's orbit, they turned that engine on, and then for some time they on it, and then they offed, and then again, and then till it entered the Mars orbit. Then they off that engine of that Mangalyaan, and then it turned around and around, and then it landed on the Mars.
Myself, Raghu. They used indigenous technology, which was used previously in Chandrayaan 2, so they succeeded.
Used indigenous technology which was used earlier in Chandrayaan. Raghu. Okay, good. Well done. Sit. So can we have, do we have those special gifts that we can give to the girl here and to the gentleman who came from the audience? Ah. This is where we are. Nijalingappa at 17, Varin at 15, Chitradurga SRS at 9, Vasavi at 8. These are the top 4 teams. So we will do one more round of this. One more. And can you arrange the table? So the last question of this comes now. Here is your question. Remember the rules? Go ahead. Next question. You have 60 seconds. The timer has gone away, I think. Okay, BD one. Last 10 seconds. We are out of time, so let's get the answers now. Hold it up now, all of you. Okay, keep it there. Keep it there. So 3 teams are not answering. 3 teams or 2 teams are not answering. So you cannot answer now. And we have the first team answering correctly. They get the right, they get the points. Team 2, correct answer. They get the full points. Teams 3 and 4 have chosen not to answer. Team 5, no answer. Team 6, no answer. Team 6, no answer. Team 7, wrong answer. Team 8, right answer. Okay, well done. So we are done with all the rounds. Now we have experiments. These teams will actually conduct experiments on stage and answer questions. So this is the last round of today's event. What is the answer? What is that? No, we are avoiding it because we have lost a little bit of time. But in fairness, every team got the right number of questions. So I'm not worried about that. What is the right answer? 10 seconds. All right. So the experiment round, I'll explain it to you. Can we have the rules on the screen, please? So the experiments round, each team will get to study all the material given to them and perform an activity here. That activity all of you can view on the big screen. And they will be required to answer some questions about the activity. Right. I will describe the rules in just a few minutes. Okay, so each of you got a number? Yes? So each of them have randomly picked one experiment to perform. And the rules are here. The first team will get 2 minutes to study their experiment and come prepared for what they are going to do. All right? 2 minutes you will get. And then you will be required to come here and perform the activity and explain it. Is that clear? Shall we start? What's your experiment? What's the number? 5. So can we get experiment number 5 on the screen, and can we get all the materials here, please? Can we get experiment 5? You have 1 minute left to discuss. Then you have to walk up to this table, perform the experiment. Then you get a couple of minutes after that to perform the activity and answer the question. All right? Switch to the camera and see. Okay, your time is almost up. Ten seconds. So switch to the camera, please. So I request the team members of Team 1 to come here, use the material made available, and answer the questions listed on the screen. Go ahead. You have 2 more minutes. Go ahead. Don't block the camera, but you will get -2. Oh, you don't want to? What experiment did you get? Your time is up. So you were asked to perform an activity and then tell us the ratio of the densities of these two liquids. Any answer? Answer the first question if you want. Use the materials listed below to determine which of the liquids has higher density. Which is liquid 1? Point. Why do you say it has higher density? Okay. Okay. So one was water, the other was honey. Their answer is not correct. Honey clearly has the higher density, right? So thanks for trying, but your answer and your explanation was not right. You get -2. Please go back to your seats. The whole thing will move. All right. That brings us to the end of the first experiment. Team number 2, what experiment do you have? Experiment 2. So you have 2 minutes to study everything that is given to you, and then you have to come there and perform the activity. Your 2 minutes starts now. It will not be good. I don't think. Or no, sorry, 10 seconds left. Okay, the team is ready with an answer. Let's hear it. Go ahead.
Sir, using acetic acid, which is vinegar, and baking soda, the the reaction produces CO2,
Okay.
which is used to extinguish the fire,
Okay.
and the gas is CO2.
And why does it extinguish fire?
Sir, because it doesn't support flame
Combustion.
and it doesn't support the combustion.
Okay. So they did everything right except actually hold a matchstick to the flame. That would have, as soon as you hold the matchstick to the gas, it will get extinguished. So out of a possible 4 points, you get 3. Okay, well done. So the next experiment is experiment 7 from team 3. 7. Experiment 7. Okay, come on over. With all the material given, you have to perform these activities and answer the question. Can you switch to the camera? Are they? ಒಬ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಬೋದು. Time is up. Well, you have any answers or? No. That's okay. Is copper magnetic? Is copper magnetic? Yes or no? Is copper magnetic? Yes or no? Copper is not magnetic. So, one of the things that we can demonstrate, seeing it on camera, one of the things we can do is a simple experiment like this, which will, I have a copper wire here, which I will twist to a certain shape. See what happens. What have you built? What is this machine which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy? What kind of machine converts electrical energy to mechanical energy? Sorry. Did you see the fact that the coil was spinning? Yes. It is a motor. You have built a simple electrical motor, right? And copper is not magnetic. But when you pass an electric current through this, it becomes magnetic. Take your seat. So, -2. Careful. So, for team 4, here is the experiment. Experiment 8. Upside. Okay, please go to the table and perform the activity. You have 2 minutes. Don't block the camera. One of you can stand here, 2 of you can stand here. Please take a. Do you have answer to either question? Using any. Can you demonstrate exhaled air contains CO2? ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. Which liquid is preferred over plain water to detect carbon dioxide in this experiment? Anybody in the audience can answer how to do this with lime water? Point sigodilla, but take a shot at it. Lime water, if you blow into it, turns milky. ಇದನ್ನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ. Go back to your seats. Well tried. We have to remove this. Negative marking this. So the next question is for team 5. And they have experiment number 3, right? Experiment number 3. Can you go switch to the camera? No. You have to explain first and then go. You can't. Two candles. Now they will have to explain to me what happens when they close the candles with the bottle, and then let us see if their answer is correct. You do this.
Yes.
You answer. I will like it. Go ahead.
We know that oxygen is a good combusting agent and carbon dioxide is comparatively less good in combustion than oxygen. If we calculate the atomic mass of both of this, oxygen is comparatively lighter than carbon dioxide. Oxygen, that is O2, is 32 AMU and carbon dioxide is 44 AMU. Since it is heavier, it settles down, resulting the smaller candle to go out first and leaving the bigger candle to light for a longer time.
Okay, that's your answer.
Yes,
right?
sir.
Once we get the candles lit, let us see. So his answer, and he was so confident when he answered it. The atomic mass of carbon dioxide he mentioned, atomic mass of oxygen he mentioned. He reasoned that carbon dioxide is heavier and therefore settles to the bottom, and therefore the shorter candle is extinguished first. All right? So let's get this lit first. he gave a very logical response, and then his conclusion was the taller candle will continue to burn longer, right? But that is not what happened. Anyone can help him with where the reasoning was incorrect? Anyone? Density of oxygen is actually lower, but that is not the reason. But his reasoning was carbon dioxide being heavier should cover the shorter candle first. But you forgot the fact that these gases, carbon dioxide is hotter, and therefore the hotter carbon dioxide is lighter, and the taller candle gets extinguished first. So we'll give them 2 points for getting so much right and getting the conclusion wrong. Okay? Well done though. Sit down. Is it next? Team 6. What experiment do you have? 4. Can I get 4? Experiment 4? Yeah, so plus 2 only. So it's plus 2, no? So this is your question. You have 2 minutes to discuss. Want to skip? All right. So the team has decided to skip trying. So they get -2. We can go to team 7 right away. Save time. What's the? You have experiment number 1. Can we go to experiment 1 on the screen? Okay. have to. All right, put it away. So these kids discovered that two of the liquids are conducting, one of them is not conducting. You have to explain the answer to the question, what is the principle that allows a liquid to conduct electricity?
Sir, it is the free ions present in the liquid. Yeah.
So this is in ionic form.
Yeah.
Not electrons, but ions.
Yeah,
Correct?
Ions, positive and
Negative ions. Okay. What is it again?
presence of ions makes it an electrolyte.
So can we give them the full 4 marks, please? Well done. So Don Bosco gets 4 marks. Well done. And for the last question of the day, we go to team 8. What activity do you have? Physics. 6. So they have question 6. So this is what they have to do. Okay, team 8, you have to be at the table here to. Can you switch to the camera, please? You can remove these switches. These are wires. You can remove them. That is one wire. That's just a button. Take the longer one, no, if this is short.
Okay, so we have taken bulbs, two bulbs, a switch, a battery holder, and some wires. So what we'll do is we'll connect a battery holder. Yeah. We'll take a battery holder, we'll take two wires, and actually we had to connect two bulbs here in series, so that when we switch on the switcher, then it turns on and both the bulbs will glow. And when we connect one in parallel and one in series, then the when we take one more switch here, one will one will be off and one will be glowing.
So you did not demonstrate it at all. Hold the mic near me, and I will show it to you, and then we will conclude. Where is the other bulb? The other bulb. So if I have an arrangement like this, you forgot the switch. In both cases, you forgot the switch. So in this case, what? Don't say such. Both will glow, right? This switch will make both the bulbs on or off. But if I swap these two, what will happen now? This is always on. Okay, so that was the circuit expected. Can you award them 1 point only? 1 point. All right, please take your seats. Because you got some of the explanation right, but what you did here was not satisfactory. We'll just put all the pins like this so it doesn't fall off. All right, with that we come to the end of the entire event. Let's take a final look at the score. So we have a very clear winner. Yes, Nijalingappa School. Where are you? Where is Nijalingappa? Well done. So a clear winner with 24 points. Well done. Well done. Excellent. Well done. The second position is for Varian International. Where are they? Foreign international guys, well done. You competed well. Okay. You sound like a. And the third position is for St. Mary's, Kalburgi. You came from a long way away. You competed well. Good luck to you. You should not get. All right. Okay. So these teams have done extraordinarily well and will qualify for the prizes. For the rest of the award ceremony, I request the dignitaries to come back on stage. We will distribute the prizes and the certificates. You folks can remain here. Please remain here. Well done, everyone. You did well to get to the finals. Better luck next time.
I'll ask them to go down. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ನಂಗೆ ಯಾರ ಹೆಸರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ
ನಾನು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ.
Okay, we have clear winners today. But before we proceed to the final prize distribution ceremony, we have schools that have participated but could not, move on to the next rounds. So I'll call out the names. The concerned teachers, please come on to the stage and receive the participation certificates. Sumati School, Chakradhar sir. Sumati School, if any teacher has come from Sumati School, please come on to the stage and please receive the participation certificates for your students. ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ
ಸುಮತಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಓಕೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಫೈನಲಿಸ್ಟ್
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ
ಸರ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್
So next, Vinayaka Vidyaniketana Nelamangla, Snehashri, Nidhi and Likita, please come out to the center of the stage to collect your certificates. Snehashri, Nidhi and Likita. I request Mukannanavar sir to hand over the certificates to children. Give that. Okay. Up next, Vasavi Public School Hiriyuru, Advait, Syed Hussain and Suhas. Sir, ಇವಾಗ next Don Bosco. ಇದು Don Bosco. ಎರಡು ಹೆಸರು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್. Don Bosco 4th prize. SRS CBSE ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಲಿಖಿತ ಸರಿ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಇದು ಯಾವುದು
ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೀವು ಕೊಡೋದು. SRS CBSE ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗ, ಲಿಖಿತ, ಅನೀಶ್ and ಅಪೇಕ್ಷಾ. ಲಿಖಿತ, ಅನೀಶ್ and ಅಪೇಕ್ಷಾ. Now Sumati school students Hemashri, Rakhiba and Tanushka. Sumati school students Hemashri, Rakiba and Tanushka. Now it's time to facilitate the top three teams of this final quiz competition. I would like to request the principal of S. Nijilingappa School to please come on to the dais. Yeah, all the teachers of Nijilingappa School, those who are present here today, please come on to the dais. This is such a proud occasion for your school. You should be present here on the dais, please. Students, please give a big round of applause. Nijilingappa School has won the finals of Mindspark quiz competition, and the prize they are winning for the first prize is 1 lakh rupees. So, Nijilingappa School students, please come on to the stage, and the teachers to receive. The school is receiving 1 lakh rupees, and the champions of Mindspark International Quiz, State Level Quiz Competition is S. Nijlingappa School. Students are also receiving the tabs for themselves. So students, please stay. They are also receiving the tabs for becoming the champions of Mindspark quiz competition. Huge congratulations to S. Nijlingappa School, the champions of Mindspark quiz competition. Second prize goes to Varin International School, Tumkuru, and the participants are getting 5,000 rupees cash award each. So total they are getting 15,000. The runners-up of Mindspark quiz competition are Varin International School, Tumkur. Congratulations, Varin International School, well done. They were one of the top teams in the semi-finals and they have done very well in the finals also. And now finally, we are announcing the second runner-up. The third place goes to St. Mary's School, Kalburgi. They have come so far from North, Nama Uttar Karnataka bandidare henmaklu. So third place, and they are the second runners-up. The teachers of St. Mary's School also please come on to the dais. Teachers or parents, please come on to the dais. And they are receiving 3,000 rupees as cash prize each. So total the team gets 9,000 rupees as the cash prize. Congratulations, St. Mary's School, Kalburgi. Well done, very well done. Now it's time to say goodbye. Before we proceed, SRS School Kids, thanks a lot for your wonderful participation, enthusiastic participation, and for your patient, participation also. Thanks a lot. Don Bosco School finalists, please come onto the stage to receive the prize. Syed Hussain, Advik, and Mohammed Salman. Now I request Shri Sunil sir to please propose a vote of thanks for today's function.
ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಲಿಂಗಾರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಆಫ್ SRS ಕಾಲೇಜ್. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಆಡಿಟೋರಿಯಮ್ಮು ಇವ್ರ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲಿ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್. ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆನ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಆಡಿಟೋರಿಯಂ ಇನ್ SRS ಕಾಲೇಜ್. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ಮಾಡೋಣಂತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನಿಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ 1 lakh, we are not happy. We want to increase the prize amount next year. Please do participate and also tell your friends to participate. Thank you for everything. Thanks for coming. Thank you. Thank you, Amok sir. Thank you, Mukkannanavar sir. Mukkannanavar sir has come all the way 500 kilometers ಇಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈ ಇದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಕ್ವಿಸ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ. ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಹಿಮ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಅಮೋಕ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಅಮೋಕ್.
I request all the teachers who have come here, please wait for some times. The participation certificates you can collect from us. Please do not leave. The teachers who have come from various schools, please wait and collect the participation certificates from us. SRS ICSE School, Smita ma'am. SRS ICSE School, Smita ma'am. Varin International School, Manjunath sir. Varin International School, Manjunath sir. Vasvi Public School, Yashwant sir. Vasvi Public School, Yashwant sir. S. Nichalingappa School, Rajalakshmi ma'am. S. Nichalingappa School, Rajalakshmi ma'am, please come on to the stage. St. Mary's School, Jyoti ma'am. St. Mary's School, Jyoti ma'am. Don Bosco School, Indu ma'am. Sorry, Indudar sir. Don Bosco School, Indudar sir. Vinayaka Vidya Nikitana School, Nelmangla, Sajapa sir. SRS CBSE, Devika ma'am. All the finalists to stay here for a group photo. All the finalists, please do not leave the stage and please come on for a quick group photo, everyone. All the finalist students, please come on to the center of the stage for a quick group photo.